Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We all are going to read, and we are going to get a lot of beautiful books to read. Author, the star is born. So I am really impressed with her style, with her writing, the content of the book, the knowledge. It's not just a flair of writing, but the way, as Sapna said, her attention to the detail.
To be very honest, this little girl has raised the bar of expectation in me on how the ideal author should be. Thank you, Rehana. I will always cherish this first book with you and wish for you the pleasure of writing many more. You truly are an inspiration. Tales in the Pandemic provides an insight into a typical nuclear family and how the COVID pandemic ruins their normal life and makes them slowly adapt to the new normal. The book is written from a child's perspective but contains models for all of us with each chapter.
This pandemic has brought us all closer and more towards reality. Nature has brought all this on us to make us realize who our parents are, who our relatives are, who our close friends are, and this is very beautifully brought out by Rehana in her simple, childlike manner. But that is the reality. I've set an example to a lot more parents whose children will be reading this book.
I would like to share with you that my book is about the facets that kids like me had to familiarize to throughout this new normal. In the beginning, I envisioned a canvas and gradually I wove ideas and details into it. And a humble beginning conceived into a book. After I was done with the writing, I showed it to my parents, who were pleasantly surprised. They liked it a lot and they thought of giving it the shape of a book, a thought which I'd never imagined and dawned upon the happiness beyond measure. My parents had encouraged me up to the hilt, and Sapna Auntie did all that was possible to bring this humble effort of mine into reality. I am also thankful to Yatish Mama and Hanish Kaka for their help in the process. The writing of this book has been a delightful experience, owing to all the special people who played their memorable role.